Paul was an incredible elite athlete. He is the epitome of health. He is the person that's always eating fresh vegetables and vitamins and, always exercising, and he did not smoke or drink.
Paul is a very robust, healthy person, and the kind of person that you don't really ever expect to get ill.
It was just a dry tickle in Paul's throat. We all had colds around the Christmas season, and it turned out to be something, very, very bad.
I was floored when it was cancer. It was stage 4, so it had progressed. There's no stage 5. As a non-smoker, lung cancer, throat cancer wasn't even on the radar. And right after that, then it all goes at warp speed. I mean, all of a sudden you go from one doctor you've never seen before to like you've got 12 doctors, you got biopsies, 3 rounds of chemo, and then 6 weeks of radiation with another type of chemo. So it's a brutal experience. Financially, we came at a time where everyone just got kicked in the teeth a few times by the economy. So for us, this was like a double, triple, quadruple whammy.
The financial stress was absolutely crippling. When we first found out about this, we were thinking, oh, we can get through this. We'll just tap into savings. And then all of a sudden, just the food, the changes in the food are $1,000 a month. And the co-pays, and you go through a ton of money.
We were pretty much at the end of our rope financially. We hadn't crashed and burned yet, but you could see it coming.
As agents, we are not car salesmen. We're not real estate salesmen. What we become is we become part of the fabric of the family's lives. When I first heard that Paul was sick, I went up and I talked to Paul and Mary about what maybe New York Life could do for them.
He said, you have a provision in your policy that will provide for financial help to help you get through this.
New York Life did an incredible thing, and our agent stepped up to the plate. So it changed everything. It changed Paul's ability to get treatment. They did a very decent thing, and you don't expect that. You certainly don't expect it from an insurance company.
Well, here I went from being the most cynical person about insurance to all of a sudden the most important person to change this game, to make this possible, is my insurance agent and the company that he chose to be associated with, the company that he recommended to me. And the company turned out to be exactly what he said it was. You wouldn't have imagined that there are any companies left in America with this kind of integrity. I love you, darling.
I now pronounce you husband and wife.
I'm telling everyone, I am telling everyone that they need insurance. They need insurance with New York Life, because that is a huge difference. And right now, with the girls all getting married, they're all getting life insurance policies. There's no doubt about it. That's their wedding present.
He loves us more than anything. So, and this whole, even through all of this and his sickness, he gets up and when he talks to people, he says, I learned how lucky I am to have a family that loves me this much.
It was incredibly special for me to be there, and I'm just grateful. Just grateful that I was lucky.